Welcome back, everyone. Unfortunately, it's the next day and it's raining. It was raining, and I wasn't able to save the battery, so my step. Welcome back to Easy E's Rebuilds. I'm Easy E. Y'all know the analytics. Like, comment, share, subscribe. It's like all the snow is melting outside, and I'm getting back to working on these cars. In the car, I'm just doing a little basic battery change on the poor Chrysler 300M. It's been sitting since we finished it last summer, and that's my stepson's car, and he's been using it as a hot box. So the battery is completely dead. So I'm gonna show y'all the process of getting the battery out, which I already got the battery out. So it is what it is. Battery's on the charger. So let me jump into this. Let's see if I can make a short old video. Deuces. So here's the Chrysler 300M. If y'all watch my channel, y'all know this took a front end hit. But like I said, my stepson uses a hot box, and we had to take the battery out. So yeah, I take out this is just a little Phillips head. I mean flathead on both that. Take your breather box out. I had to clip the ends off the cables because they was rusted. So I clipped the ends off. Well, I clipped the cable in half and re-spiced it and put them all together, back together for the hot and the ground. They was corroded. They was all green. I would have showed y'all that, but I threw them in the garbage already. So like I said, you gotta take the breather box out to access it. It's a plate you gotta take off, which consists of a 13mm and a 8mm on the other side. And for the wheel well screws on this car, is right here. I do believe it was 1/4 inch socket, and that's how you gotta take your tire off and then take a cover off. But I say that's a 1/4 inch socket, so you can slide the battery out this way. So you take the breather box out through the top so you can access these cables and the bolts, which are 13mm nuts on there, because you won't be able to get to the one way in the back, which be your ground, if you don't take the breather box off. And that's how I access the battery on these Chryslers, because the car will not run. Like I said, the battery is over here on the charge. I don't know if y'all can see that. 11.9. Hopefully get it charged by the end of the day. So I'll put the battery back in this video. So y'all know y'all can cop y'all some merch at teespring.com. It's a link in the description area below. We take Cash App donations. We take donations of cars. And y'all probably ask me what I mean by hot box. This is what I mean. Yeah, ashes everywhere. Water bottles. Even got ashes on the dash. Ashes between the seats. Ashes in the door handle, whatever you want to say. Ashes back on the back seats. I know, like ashtray in the back. Got the trash back here. So this is hot box. So hopefully you get it plated this year, because I need my space in my yard. So let me get back to work. I'll see y'all back when the battery is charged. Deuces. Welcome back, everyone. Unfortunately, it's the next day and it's raining. It was raining, and I wasn't able to save the battery. So my stepson Cody had to go pick him up another battery from Advanced Auto for the low price of like $183. So let's get back to putting it all back together and getting removed, because my Chevy Traverse needs an oil change. So keep on watching. So let's get started. Got a new battery here. We're gonna need a 13mm to lock these in place. Hope y'all can see everything clearly. Got all my tools here. Let's get this. And from where I left up yesterday. Get that slid back in there. In there. Get your bracket. Back in place. Just gotta remember which side is which. That seems to be about right. Make sure the battery is seated right where it's supposed to be. I think this is a 13mm. I go on this side. The battery. On the other one, is an 8mm, which it sits back up in there. I don't know if y'all can see that. But I can't see it. But I got that. I guess I should have made sure the car start first. If I start tightening everything down, I'll go check that in a minute. Need some long bolts. But it's all self-explanatory. How to change your battery on one of these old Chryslers. Probably Dodge, old Dodges too. I know they be in the wheel wells too. But they used to be on the driver's side. The old Dodge Avengers. When we got the battery tightened down. Grab the key. Before I get all this all buttoned up. Oh, we got power. Okay, she back good again. With a fresh battery. Like I said, it's self-explanatory, but I'm about to get all this stuff buttoned back up. About to put the breather box back in. Put this back on there. Like I said, with a 1/4 inch socket. So keep on watching. That's gonna be a wrap for this video. We got the new battery installed. It starts up. About to move it out my way. Like it's getting warm outside. Time for me to start working back on these cars. So if y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up. If y'all didn't, give me a thumbs down. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know how we doing. Let us know how the battery came out. Cause y'all seen it did start. Share this video on your social media if you would, and please consider subscribing to this channel. And we also take Cash App donations at teespring.com. Oh, Cash App donations. And we got merch at teespring.com. There's all links in the description area below. Go check us out on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter. There's all links down there. So with all that said, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Peace.